Hope everybody's having a great Friday. I am doing good today. I have went on live twice already today, and I might go again later. I don't know. It just depends. I didn't get. I got people in and out very quickly. That's kind of my experience so far. I hope I will get to the point where people will want to hang around and watch what I'm doing. To the live I just did was pretty awesome, so you missed something good. But I'm going to show you what I did, what the results was, and I'm pretty proud of it. It came out really awesome. Let's see. On video, this stupid camera doesn't want to flip, and I hate that. But whatever. But this is what I did. I'm trying to give you a good view of it. It's kind of hard because I'm trying to look at the picture upside down. That's ridiculous. If I could attach a picture, I would. If I can figure that out, I'll do that. Because there was, it's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to go now. I hope everybody enjoys the rest of their day. I've got a mess to clean up. That's part of doing this kind of painting. It is so awesome, but it's it is a more work than you would think. It's much easier to do traditional painting, which I do as well, but I enjoy the acrylic pouring kind of best. I think you get some really cool stuff. And if you want to check out my stuff, all you have to do is go to my bio, and there's a link. You can go there and check it out. If you have any questions, please leave comments. I'm going to say farewell for now. See you later.